If your 2025 or newer Tesla Model Y starts showing front camera alerts, a blurry image, or a front camera feed that suddenly cuts out, there may be a bigger problem hiding behind what looks like a simple camera glitch. And before this is over, the possible repair bill can end up being a lot more than most owners expect. For a lot of drivers, this would probably start with confusion. The camera may look a little cloudy at first. Maybe the image seems smeared, hazy, or just slightly off. Then one day the warning shows up, the feed starts cutting in and out, or the front view disappears completely. That is what makes this issue so easy to dismiss in the beginning. It can feel like rain, road grime, or a little moisture that will clear on its own. Some owners have even described camera fogging that gets worse after the drive begins, especially in wet or colder conditions. But Tesla found a more specific cause for some Model Y vehicles. In Service Bulletin SB25 Tire 17-0112, Tesla says water may enter the front fascia camera through channels on the front fascia harness. That water can corrode the camera connector or submerge the camera lens, leading to camera alerts and possible loss of the front camera feed. This issue applies to some 2025 and newer Model Y vehicles in North America built at Fremont and Giga, Texas. The first step in Tesla's repair path is not even parts replacement. It starts with software. The bulletin says the technician should first check the firmware version, and if the vehicle already has firmware 2025 TON 44.3 or later, or FSD v14.2, no further action is needed under this procedure. If not, the software is updated before moving deeper into the inspection. After that, the camera view itself gets checked on the touchscreen. Tesla tells technicians to look for severe blurriness, an intermittent feed, or a blank video feed. If those symptoms are present, the repair is to replace both the front fascia harness and the front fascia camera. If the problem is not obvious right away, the inspection keeps going. The front fascia camera is removed so the lens and connector can be checked for water intrusion or corrosion. If either one shows signs of the problem, Tesla again calls for both the camera and the harness to be replaced. Then the harness gets inspected more closely. The front fascia has to come off so the camera connector branch of the front fascia harness can be exposed. Tesla says the tubing is peeled back and the harness is checked for abrasion or water ingress. If damage or water is found there, both the harness and the camera are replaced. If no damage is found in the harness, the repair still is not completely over. Tesla says the harness should be reinstalled, and the end of the corrugated tube near the camera connector should be wrapped with electrical tape before the car is put back together. That helps explain why this is more than just a bad camera. The real problem can start with water getting in through the harness path, and from there it can affect the connector, the lens, or both. There are no published diagnostic trouble codes listed in this bulletin. For many owners, the problem is going to show up as warnings, a blurry front image, or a feed that disappears when they need it most. Owner reports make that feel even more believable. Some describe a camera that looks clear at first and then fogs up later. Others talk about haze or moisture that seems trapped and does not fully go away with a basic cleaning. That kind of pattern can make the issue feel random until the warning keeps coming back. Now let's talk about the repair cost. Tesla lists labor operations of about 0.84 hours for inspection without replacement and about 0.90 hours for inspect and replace. And the bulletin also lists the front fascia harness and front fascia camera assembly as parts involved in the job. That means the final cost can vary a lot depending on whether the visit stops at inspection or turns into full replacement of both components. As a rough 2026 estimate, a lighter inspection-style visit could land around $120 to $250 at an independent shop equivalent, or around $180 to $325 at dealership-style rates. If both the front fascia harness and front fascia camera need to be replaced, a rough independent estimate could land around $600 to $950, while a dealership-style total could be closer to $850 to $1,300, including parts and labor. So if a 2025 or newer Tesla Model Y starts showing front camera warnings, heavy blurriness, or a feed that cuts out, this may be more than surface moisture or a dirty lens. Tesla says water intrusion through the front fascia harness path can lead to connector corrosion, camera problems, and loss of the front camera feed. And that is what makes this one worth taking seriously early. A small warning, A hazy image, or a camera feed that only fails once in bad weather, may be the first sign that moisture has already started getting where it should not be. If this has happened on your Model Y, drop your experience in the comments and say what the camera did before the warning got worse. And for more real-world vehicle issue breakdowns like this, like the video, subscribe, and keep watching.